Hey there! Ever sit down to tackle your to-do list, only to find yourself scrolling through your phone an hour later? Yeah, we've all been there. Procrastination is something everyone struggles with. But have you ever wondered why it happens? And more importantly, how can you stop it? Okay, let's start with the science. Your brain is wired to prefer instant gratification over long-term rewards. When you think about doing a task, your brain sees it as work, and work feels like a threat. So what does it do? It looks for an escape. That's why scrolling through social media or binge watching your favorite show feels so tempting. It's easy, it's fun, and it gives your brain a quick hit of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. In other words, your brain is basically choosing cupcakes over broccoli every single time. But here's the problem. Procrastination creates a vicious cycle. You avoid the task, feel guilty about it, and then stress even more. This makes the task feel even bigger and scarier, so you avoid it again, and the cycle continues. How to break the cycle? The good news? You can break the cycle. Here are 3 Stickman-approved strategies to stop procrastination in its tracks. First up, the 2-minute rule. If a task feels overwhelming, just commit to working on it for 2 minutes. That's it. Just 2 minutes. Why? Because starting is often the hardest part. Once you begin, you'll usually find it easier to keep going. It's like rolling a snowball. Once it's moving, it builds momentum on its own. Next, try eating the frog. No, not an actual frog. This is a metaphor for tackling your hardest or most important task first thing in the day. Why? Because once the biggest, scariest task is done, everything else feels like a breeze. Plus, you'll feel like a productivity superhero for the rest of the day. Finally, reward yourself. After completing a task, give yourself a small treat, like a snack, a break, or even a quick walk. This trains your brain to associate productivity with positive feelings. Think of it as giving your brain a high five for a job well done. So, there you have it. Why your brain loves procrastination and how to stop it. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making progress. Start small, stay consistent, and soon you'll be unstoppable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Stickman Focus, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest procrastination struggle? Stickman Focus is here to help you crush it. Until next time, stay focused.